Good morning guys, I'm Elisa and I'm here to introduce you our 1500 watt subwoofer amplifier with its aluminum case, particularly suitable for daily use. Here you can see the power supply, 50 square millimeters, and the speaker connection, not less than 1 ohm. On the other side we have the double LED, the jack for the remote control, double RCA for the input and for the link with another equal amplifier, the gain, the low pass filter, the subsonic control, and the bass boost control. The amplifier is shipped with its remote control and the screw for the mounting. You can find the datasheet with all the technical information on the website.